Your website might be sending the wrong message. Generic stock photos and unclear messaging can silently push your visitor away. People don't want to fake image. They want real solution, success stories, and a brand they can trust. Take a moment to review your website. Is it telling the right story? If you need help, comment website checks and let's fix. I am Aladdin, founder of a digital marketing and design agency. I am here to increase your sales. Thanks for watching.